It's your girl Sharae and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have this facial steamer, but I'm not using it for my face, I'm using it for my hair. This is how it looks. You know, the steam come out of here and then this way you put the water. I got this from TikTok shop and I'm about to show y'all. So for 2025, I want to get a good hair routine because I started doing my hair like this in December. I started doing it last month, and I'm still doing it. And I've been using the steamer. I've been sticking to just a solid product, just one solid brand, and I love Tejan. Yeah, I love Tejan, so that's what I was sticking with. I got this, and I got the gel, and I'm using this. This is a mix of stuff. Hold on, it's this. I just put it in this spray bottle, but it's this. Yeah, that's my sister brand, so y'all better get at her because her stuff is top tier. The only thing I don't like about the steamer is you gotta get low, you gotta get like this so that the steam gets on your hair. It'll turn it on. Oh yeah, don't pick it up while it's on because the water is gonna leak. Don't do it. Y'all hear that? It's heating up. The steam is actually really big. It's a lot of steam, but when the water is running out, you can tell because it starts to go down. The steam is up there. Y'all see that? Yeah. So today I'm gonna take my hair out today. I comb my hair while I have the steam on. It's really good. So this is how it looks. I'm about to put a little bit more product, but that's how it looks when I take it out with the steam. looks good. And the water lasts the whole time. About to go in with my drops. These are really good. Massage it in there. Massage it. Alright, so this is the end result. So I'm wearing my hair out today. I've been wearing my hair in the braids for a few days now. So yeah, steamer for the win.